In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Amazon Prime on the Amazon app. By the end, you'll be confidently signed up and ready to enjoy faster shipping, Prime Video, and more, all from your phone. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you use more than one account, double check the email at the top of your home screen or in your account settings so your membership lands where you want it. A stable internet connection and the latest version of the app will make everything smoother. Next, open the main menu. On iPhone, the menu icon is typically at the bottom right of the screen, and on Android, you'll usually find it in the top left. Tap that menu icon to expand the list of options. In the menu, look for Prime. Depending on your region or version of the app, you might see it labeled Prime, Start Your Prime, or Try Prime. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the menu categories. As a quick tip, you can also use the app's search bar and type Prime to jump to the membership page. Now choose the Prime plan that works best for you. You'll typically see monthly and annual options, and sometimes a trial if you're eligible. Monthly is flexible if you want to pay as you go, while annual often gives you a better overall value if you know you'll use it year-round. The app will clearly show the price and billing cadence for each option, so you know exactly what to expect. When prompted, review your payment and billing details. Confirm the card or payment method on file, or add a new one if needed, and verify your billing address is correct. If a free trial is available for your account, you'll see the trial length and the date billing will begin afterward. If you're trying a trial, consider setting a personal reminder for a day or two before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue. Finally, review the order summary and confirm to activate your membership. The activation is usually instant. You'll notice Prime indicators across the app, and you should receive a confirmation email. From here, you can start enjoying Prime benefits, including faster delivery on eligible items and access to Prime Video. If you ever need to manage your plan, such as switching between monthly and annual or canceling, open the menu, go to your account settings, and look for your Prime membership options. And that's it. You've purchased Amazon Prime right from the Amazon app. Enjoy your new benefits and happy shopping.